Hello everyone, this is Gitika Chawla from USPC Jain Public School and today we'll start exercise 12.2 of chapter 12 algebraic expressions of class 7. In this exercise we will simplify the sums. See here in first sum what is saying here, simplify combining like terms, means here first of all in this exercise we will collect all the like terms and then we will add them or will simplify them. See in first part what is asking here, we are having 21b minus 32 plus 7b minus 20b. Means in this expression what we'll do, we will collect all like terms. See here I have collected 21b then 7b minus 20b. I will make them together here. So you can write in this way 21b plus 7b minus 20b. Also you can write in this form also that 21b is there only, or you can write it first then it. See here minus 20b plus 7b minus 32 will be there. And you can simplify them, 21b minus 20b that is 1b plus 7b minus 32. Please don't forget to write other terms which we haven't simplified. Fine. So here both become 1b plus 7b that is 8b minus 32. Now you can see here it is without variable, it is a constant, so we will not solve them further. So in the same way we will simplify the next part. I am having minus z square plus 13z square minus 5z plus 7z cube minus 15z. So here we can see here we are having three powers. Power 2, then here power 1, then power 3 also. So we will take first of all that one term who is having the highest power. So write it first 7z cube, then minus z square plus 13z square, then minus 5z plus 15z minus 15z. Then after that this is alone, so write it as it is. We can simplify these two terms, minus z square plus 13z square. Because it is negative, it is positive, so we will subtract them. And 13 is greater than this one, 1. So 13 minus 1 is 12 and 13 is positive, so 12z square. As we have done in the previous chapter, we will follow all those rules here also. And this minus 5z minus 15z, we will add both because both are of same sign. So we will add them and put the sign which they are having, that is minus 20z. Now you can see here all these terms are having different power, different variables we can say also, because it is having z cube, it is z square, it is z, so we will not simplify them further. With the same process I am having third part, that is p minus in bracket p minus q minus q minus q minus p. So in these type of sums first of all we will open the brackets. So see how to do it. P will be as it is, as in front of this bracket we are having minus sign. So when we are going to open the bracket we will change all the signs which are inside the bracket. So p will be negative and this will be positive because minus minus plus. Then minus q is there, so minus q, then minus minus plus, so plus p. Now we will collect all p's and all q's with their signs. So p minus p, positive p. So plus q minus q minus q. So what we'll do here, we can see there all the variables having same variable, 1 1 1 is there. Also see here the coefficient is same here. So what we'll do here, we will cancel, it is positive, it is negative, we will cancel them, p is left. Here p is positive, q is negative, we'll cancel them, so q is left and it is negative, so p minus q. In the same way we will move to the next one. Fine. In fourth part what we are having, 3a minus 2b minus ab minus a minus b plus ab, and this one is in bracket and this minus side outside of it. Then 3ab plus b minus c. So first of all we will open the bracket, we will change all the terms will be written as it is, and those who are having minus sign outside of bracket will change all the sign inside the bracket. See here it is same here. You can see here we are going to change its sign. Its sign will be changed, its sign will be changed because minus sign is out and others will be as it is. Now we'll collect all the like terms. See 3a is there, then minus a is there, then other one is here, a is minus there, see minus a is also there. Then here 2b, that is minus 2b, so right here. Then b is there, positive b is there, this one is again positive b. Then minus ab right here, then minus ab right here, plus 3b right here, and solve them. And after solution we get here it is a plus ab, because 3a minus 2a that is a, and this one is negative, it is positive, but these are like terms but having opposite sign, so we'll cancel them. It is 0 here on its place. Then here it is minus 2ab plus 3ab. We'll solve them. That is ab unknown. So the answer is a plus ab. Then after that, in fifth part, we can see that we are having 5x square y minus 5x square plus 3yx square minus 3y square plus x square minus y square plus 8xy square minus 3y square. So same here, we collect all the terms, we'll combine all the terms which are like terms and we'll solve them. See here, 5x square y, and this is also having yx square and x square y, both are the same terms. So right here. Then after that, we'll check here that here x y square. So write it here also. We can see there's no any other term who is having x y square. So leave it. Now I'll move here. I've written 5x square. So write this one term. Then after that, x, see it is x square. It is also having x square. So write here. And it is having y square. It is also having y square. And this is also y square. So write them in this way. Fine. After arranging them, after combining them, we will solve them. See, 5x square y, 3yx square, both are of positive sign, we will add them. Then after that, it is the lone term, so right here add it. And it is here minus 5x square plus x square, that is minus 4x square. And all these terms are of same sign, so we will add them and put the same sign which they are having. And in this way, we'll simplify these sum. And next part of this sum will be a homework that you will do it yourself.